Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best vegetable fertilizer for your outdoor garden, the Triple 10 All-Purpose Liquid Fertilizer. This product is packed with nutrients essential for healthy plant growth, making it a must-have for gardening enthusiasts. Let's start with what makes this fertilizer stand out. It's formulated with a balanced 10th of October 10 ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, enriched with 5.5% amino acids and seaweed extract. This blend supports robust plant development throughout all stages of growth, from seedlings to harvest. Now, why should you choose the Triple 10 All-Purpose Liquid Fertilizer over others? Well, besides its nutrient-rich formula, it consistently receives high ratings for being easy to use, effective, and offering great value. It's also suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, which makes it versatile for various gardening needs. For best results, start with a lower application rate and gradually increase as needed. Water generously after application, and continue to use every 1 to 2 weeks throughout the growing season. This consistent feeding regimen helps maintain healthy, vibrant plants. To wrap up, if you're looking to boost your garden's productivity with a reliable fertilizer, the Triple 10 All-Purpose Liquid Fertilizer is definitely worth considering. Its nutrient-packed formula and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners alike. If you've tried this fertilizer yourself or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.